So earlier this week, this happened. Yes, so as you can see, I am now the owner of a HomePod. So let me take you through the unboxing that occurred a few days ago. So as always, Apple packages their products really, really well, and this one's no exception. So the actual box is all wrapped in clear plastic, and just pull the tab to open it up, and the plastic sort of spreads out and the box is revealed. One of the first things I noticed about the HomePod is that it's quite heavy. It's not something you're expecting. It's heavier than what you expect. It actually weighs in at about 2.5 kilo, 5.5 pound. And speaking of measurements, the dimensions 172 millimeters by 142, and that's 6.8 inches by 5.6. And the speaker comes in two colors. There's the space gray, which is the black version, and then the white. And here's the reveal. This is the white. And it's the typical white from Apple, which is always sort of a little bit of an off-white. And this particular speaker, because of the mesh underneath, has a sort of a grey tinge to it, I guess you could say. So lifting it out now, there's the power cord and the speaker itself. And in the box, there's just a couple of pamphlets that Apple always includes. We'll have a look at those now. It comes with just the instructions, quick instructions as to how to connect, and some of the controls, how to use it, and the Apple 1-year warranty, and a little bit of info as well as a sticker. So having a look at the HomePod itself now, as I mentioned, it was quite heavy, and on top there is a little sticker just to protect the white coating. So we're having a look at the power cord itself now. The power cord is sort of unusual to feel. It's made out of a fabric-like material, not your usual plastic. Looks pretty cool, pretty trendy. And size-wise, it's 2 meters long, so 6 foot, which is a fair distance, I think, for this kind of equipment. Just bringing the HomePod a bit closer to the camera so you can see it's made out of a meshy sort of material. It's a bit hard to describe what it actually feels like, but it's a little bit soft and spongy. It's not hard plastic. I guess to put it simply, it feels like a speaker should feel. So I'll set it up now, plug it in, and then we'll turn it on and see how to connect to it and how it works. So it's all plugged in now, and I'll flick the switch. Oh yes, we have power. There it is. And I'll just get the manual to see what we need to do next. So here's the manual, and let's look at the first page. The first page just tells us to make sure that we have the latest iOS on our device and to connect to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And that sound you heard there was just the HomePod booting up. It's ready to go now. And the second page just tells us to bring our device near the HomePod to complete the setup. And you can see there that the iPhone has the HomePod connecting up to it, and it's just asking for setup now. And it's just asking where we want to put the iPod, so I'll just choose living room. And now it's asking whether I want to enable personal requests. I'll say no for the moment. Then it wants to know if to enable Siri. I'll say yes. And whether I agree to the terms and conditions. Yes. And another question just regarding the iCloud settings. And as you just heard there, it has finished the setup. So just before we finish the video, we'll have a little chat with it and you can see what it does. Hey Siri. What can you do?
I can do lots of things. Try asking, hey Siri, when's the next solar eclipse? Hey Siri, when's the next Super Bowl? Or hey Siri, play some party music.
Hey Siri, what else can you do?
I work with HomeKit. Try asking, hey Siri, turn on the lights. Hey Siri, did I lock the front door? Or hey Siri, set the temperature to 68 degrees.
Hey Siri, thank you.
I aim to please.
So there you have it, some of the things that Siri can do. I won't play any music because I'm not sure about the licensing and copyright issues by playing music through the HomePod onto YouTube. But I can tell you that the speaker is really, really good. The music sounds great through it, and I'm very, very happy so far. So that brings us to the end of the video, and I'll just leave you with a few clips of the close-ups of the speaker so you can have a little bit of a closer look. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and give a thumbs up to see more stuff from me. I'll chat to you in the next one.